Making a website has always been easier than building a mobile app. But with the advancement of AI and vibe coding, now you can also build apps within a few seconds. And if you already have a website and want to turn it into an app, then today I am going to talk about a platform called Superapp, which lets you build native iOS apps, and it also has the option to publish it to the App Store. You have to just type the prompt describing what type of app you want to build, what features it should have, and Superapp will build your app within a few seconds. And now I am going to show you the complete workflow of building a mobile app. So let's get started. So this is a website I have built around personal finance to track income and expenses, and also to track financial goals. So if I click on launch app, now you can see there is a dashboard where I can just add transactions. If there is some expense, I can add that. If there is some income, I can also add that. And then I have also the option of goals, like let's say I have to buy a new car, so what percentage of money I have currently to buy the car, and there is some emergency fund. So this is a kind of an expense tracker, and let's say you can say income tracker, basically a personal finance website web app through which I can just track my finances, my money. And now I want to turn this website, turn this web app into a mobile app, and I am going to do that with Superapp. So this is the website of Superapp. You can see here it is written, build iOS apps with AI, your technical co-founder of the Apple ecosystem. So you can build iOS apps, you can build apps for iPad, even Mac OS. So first of all, you have to just sign in through your Google account or your Apple ID, and then you have to download it for your Mac, and then install the software on your MacBook. And then it will ask you to install Xcode if it is not already installed on your Mac, and then you can just open Superapp and start building whatever type of app you want to build. So this is the home page of Superapp. Here you get a prompt area where you can just type whatever type of app you want and what features it should have. You have to just type here. And today I am going to build an app which will be a finance tracker, basically an expense tracker app, which will be inspired from my website, which is this. Whatever features it has, the app should also have these features, like there should be options for adding transaction, there should be option for goals, and there should be also a dashboard where whatever my financial health is there, it will be shown. So what I will do, I will first of all type here, make a finance app to track expenses and income. And then here you have option for choosing device type, like if you want to build an app for iPhone, you can just select that. If you want to build an app for iPhone and iPad simultaneously, you can just click this option, and then there are other options also. So currently I am just selecting iPhone, and then here you get different options, like you can add reference images for design inspiration. Let's say if you have some web design, then you can just add that. If you have a website, then you can just paste the link of website, and it will capture its design, and it will just build an app according to that, and basically it will turn your website into an app. And there is also an option to import Figma file. So currently I am going to just turn this website into a mobile app. So what I will do is, I am not going to paste the link of the website because currently this website is not hosted on a domain. So I have screenshots of these pages of the website. So I will just click here, add reference images, and I will add all these images, like there is image for dashboard, then there is for goals, then home page, and then transactions. So I will select all these images, all these screenshots of the website, and I am going to select these as inspirations, and I am writing here, check the attached screenshots of my website and turn it into an app. So now I have completed my prompt. I have described what type of app I want. I have also added reference images, and now I have to just click on start building, and Superapp will just start building the app. So currently you can see it is thinking, it is reading our prompt, what it should be doing, and now you can see it is creating different files, different pages for codes, and you can see it is creating .swift file. So Swift is basically a programming language developed by Apple, and which is used for creating apps for Apple devices like iPhone, iOS, and other devices of Apple. So as I told you, Super App builds native iOS apps, so it is creating .swift files. So let's see how much time does it take to build the app. So after a few minutes, Super App has now built the initial version of the app. You can see what it has done. Here it is written what's new in FinTrack. It has named the app FinTrack. There are 3 summary cards, cash flow chart, recent transactions, and what will be the structure of the app, 4 tab navigation. And if you want to see the app how it will look, so you have to just select a device here on the simulator section of Super App. Here you can see there are many options like iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone Air, iPhone 17e. So let's say I am selecting here iPhone 17 Pro, and now you have to just click on this button, launch your app on the selected device, and now simulator will open, and you will see how the app will look. So there was some issue with the simulator which I have now resolved, and now you can see our app has opened into a simulator of iPhone. You can see this is the home page, and here are different tabs like transactions, goals, and then settings. Currently it has not built all the features, but it has structured the app and built the initial version of the app, and you can see it is looking like our website. Here is our website which I had given screenshots of different pages like dashboard, transactions, and goals, and the app is also looking similar. You can see here are transactions, here is the graph, here is the transactions tab, here is the goals tab. So now what I will do is I will ask Super App to build all these tabs, all these navigations, and you can see Super App will also show you some prompts like what you want to do. So you can see here it is asking like build the transactions tab, build the goals tab. This way Super App will ask you for some prompts, like if you don't know what to type, so you can just click on that, but if you know, then you can just keep asking Super App and keep improving the app. So now I am writing build everything like transactions tab, goals tab, and other. And now Super App will start thinking and build whatever prompt you just entered. So now it has built all the tabs, and you can see what's new. It is showing transactions tab, goals tab, and then settings tab. So let's see in the simulator. So this is the home page dashboard, then there is transactions, you can see, and there is also some categories: job, food, housing, bills, transport. And if I want to add any transaction, I can click on add. Then let's say I am typing, it is expense, amount 100 USD, category job, add transaction. You can see there is one transaction added. And then let's go to goals tab, and you can see here are 3 goals: emergency fund, new car, vacation. If I want to add a goal, I can also add a goal and set the amount and how much amount currently I have. So this way I can also add goals. And then there is settings tab. So here you can see there is a section for user, but I think there should be an option to log in with Google ID or anything else. Then there is currency, you can select different currencies. Let's say I am changing to Indian rupees, and then there is dark mode, light mode, so it is also not working. So whatever features is not working and whatever new features you want to add into your app, you have to just type it inside the prompt area of Super App, and Super App will build that. So let's say I am writing here dark mode is not working, also add user account for sign in along with a guest mode option. And I think there is everything working other than that, and all these features are looking same to same as the website from which I had attached screenshots. And this way you can turn any type of website into app. So let's see how Super App is going to build these features. So I am just entering this prompt, and now I think our app will be just completely built. So now you can see it has added a sign in page to the app, and
The moment you open the app, first of all it will show an option to sign in and sign up. If you have already an account, then you can just sign in. And let's say if you don't want to sign in and just want to view the app and use it for some time, then you can also continue as guest, and then it will be opened without signing in. And now it is showing in light mode, you can see, and all the features are same, just it is showing in light mode. And if I go to here appearance, there is showing system default. And I forgot to write on the prompt that there should be a toggle option for light mode and dark mode, and that's why it has not given one. But if I just write here, it will just add an option, so that is not a problem. And then there is option for currency. So I think all these things are working. But let's say someone is trying to create an account, so where will the app store all this data? So for that you have to connect this app with Supabase. So there is an option for connecting your database to store app data, and if you click here, it will ask you to connect through Supabase. So Supabase is basically a platform for database or the user authentication and storage, and you have to just start your project, create a project. And I had already discussed about this in my last video about Superapp, so you can also watch that video. So you have to just sign in for free, and then you have to just start your project, and you can just add a new project. Earlier I had created one project for last video, and now I am creating here one new project. You can see earlier I had created fitness app project, and now I am creating a new project, and I am naming it Fin Tracker. Then you have to create a database password. Then you have to just click here create new project, and your Supabase project will be created. And then you have to connect your Supabase project on Superapp. Here is showing our project Fin Tracker, and now you have to click on connect, and then you have to just click here on this prompt, connect Supabase to sync accounts. And now Supabase will create database entries for your app, and then whatever data you will save with your username, that will be saved on Supabase, and you can just access that data, and that way your app will be finally completed, and you can just use it, and you can also publish to the app store. So now it has created different entries for database. Let me see, you can see here created 3 tables. And if I go to Supabase, so here is our project Fin Tracker, and I am going to table editor. Then you can see here is goals, then there is profile, then there is transaction. So now whatever data anyone will fill in this app, let's say someone is creating an account, and then whatever data they will fill, they will add here about their transactions, about their expenses, incomes, and about their financial goals. So all of that data will be stored under their profile inside Supabase. So this way you can build a full-fledged working app through Superapp, and I think our app is now completed. And when let's say if you think your app is completed and it is ready to publish on the app store, then Superapp also has the option for that. And here you can see there is an option publish. You have to just click on this option, and then you have to log in through your Apple ID. And then if you have not enrolled into Apple developer program, so you have to enroll there, and you will be charged $99 per year, and then you can publish your app on the app store, and then anyone can download this app and then use this app. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you will also build your app through Superapp, and see you soon in the next video.